PT21, like what I've said during the GMeet, this is the official list. You are already second year. If you didn't see your name, this is not new to you. Alam niyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. Thank you so much, UID, quality and excellent team. Thank you. TO13, this is the official list. Try to read your names. And if you didn't see your name, go to ICTO to avoid problem. Again, please, I already sent it to you guys. All you have to do is part of your responsibility is to read your names and go to higher ups if there's any.